Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me on a very special day today, because today is the 29th of March and it's my 10th anniversary as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Can't believe it, 10 years. I can believe it. I absolutely adore what I do. I love doing this. I love doing videos. I love sharing with you. I love working with my remarkable, incredible, fantastic team. I love crafting with other people. So that's how I know I've got through 10 years. So today's project is this one. There is a giveaway coming relating to this, but you have to watch more of the video to find out what it is. And yeah, this is a little box that's got a Burt's Bees Baby Bee soap inside, which is why I've got a little bee on the front. And I knew that I was going to have a project that fell on my anniversary, and I thought, well, I'm going to have to get some sort of animal print in there because of my beautiful trio of cats. Berry and Fauna, who are my Bengal and my Siamese, are fast asleep to the left of me. Often Berry seems to appear when the Bengal cat print comes out. But, you know, she's not here right now. She's sleeping on the job. But yes, inside here is a bar of Baby Bee soap by Burt's Bees. I love this stuff. I was still using this stuff when I first started with Oliver. He wasn't even 2 when I joined, and he turns 12 next month. That's not going to go back on there just yet. He turns 12 next month, which is a little bit scary. And my eldest son, Jack, turns 20. And the others are 14 and 17. And I've got 2 drivers in the house. And yeah, time flies. Okay, so I'm using this beautiful paper. And this is called Like an Animal. It's 12 by 12. Loads of different patterns. We've got the leopard print. So a Bengal cat is actually related to a leopard, not a Bengal tiger, which one would think. Zebra print. We've got giraffe. There's the leopard again. The giraffe again. Snake print. And then the leopard. I'm going to say that's fish scales. And there is another one, which is this one. And this is very much like my Savannah. So she's got spots rather than stripes or anything like that. Is that all of them? There's 3 silvers and 3 golds. Yes, I think that's it. So, fantastic. Right. Oh, I've just covered up all my measurements. Piece of paper, 9.5 inches long by 5.5 inches deep, or 24 centimetres by 14. And the finished dimensions of it, while it does fit my box perfectly, you can use it for other things, because it's 1.5 inches deep here by 3 by 3, which is 4 centimetres by 7.5 by 7.5. So that's the size of this box. Right, long side, score it at 1.5 inches, 4.5, 6 and 9, which in metric is 4, 11.5, 15.5 and 23. And then turn it to one side and score it again at 1.5 inches or 4 centimetres. Love the paper. It's such fun. Oh, I forgot to show you. It does have a reverse. So often our speciality papers are white on the back, but this does have the non-gorgeously metallic side. And I don't think I pressed quite hard enough on my score lines. So I'm just burnishing these. So yeah, 10 years, 10 incredible years. Too many highlights. Just a remarkable, amazing, incredible time. Loved every minute of it. Wouldn't change it for the world. I'm just going to wedge slightly on those squares. Travelled all over the world with what I do. Met some incredible team. Some incredible people, and work with an incredible team. Where's my tear and tape? Here it is. You can see what I've just done there. I've just wedged, and I've got this section here that I'm going to put tape along. I was the first UK million sales achiever. I think the only one still. Got to go to Salt Lake City and take one of my sons with me. I took my second son with me. He was 14 then. He's almost 18 now. That was right before the very first lockdown. We got home just in time. Right, I folded in 2 sides and the back, and I'm going to fold over the front and pop my soap in, because that's going to determine how far down it goes here. So I'm just pushing in at the sides. Hopefully you can see that. And you get a sort of smooth, domed finish. Okay, so I'm just going to push on that. What else has happened? I got to take my parents to Alaska. They joined me on one of the incentive trips. We've got an incentive trip coming up in a couple of months' time where I get to take my husband to Norway on the Norwegian fjords. That'll be lots of fun. I've been to Thailand. Oh my goodness. Where's the front? There is the front. I'm going to use my linen thread to go round quite a few times. It just helps keep it closed. I have got to go out of my comfort zone and present on stage. You'd think I'd be a very confident person doing videos 3 times a week. I'm really not. Public speaking, not my happy space. And I have challenged myself and done it. Right, so that's going around. Oh, look, that's not long enough there, so I need to go around one more time. That's a bit better. And I get to craft with awesome stuff, which is always a winner. Right. Let me tie this in a bow. I've made some incredible friends, and yeah, people I talk to daily, they know who they are. There's 4 of them, there's 5 of us. And yeah, we talk almost every day about everything. I work with a fantastic, phenomenal, amazing and incredible team. And yeah, best job ever. Right. Oh, where have I put my punch that I need? Oh, I don't know. So I've got the honeybee home, and I have got some flowers embellishments, because I thought they would be fun. And I want... Okay, what size is that? It's the 2-inch punch. What have I done with it? Why is it not right in front of me where it should be? Bear with me, I've probably stacked it somewhere else. I have. I put it in the wrong place. So I've got my 2-inch punch, because 2 of our circle punches have just come back. Yay. Which I'm very excited about. The 1 3/4 and the 2-inch punch. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my little bee over here. Actually, probably would be simpler if I just punched first. So let me punch out a circle. Get my bee. So yeah, 10 years. Best thing ever. I'm going to get my memento. I'm just going to pop my bee off to one side. Just leave that to dry for a second. And then I've got lovely phrases here. So glad we're family. Such happy news. Best of luck. Stay wonderful. You're the nicest. You're the nicest. I like such happy news. So I'm going to go with that one, which I'm assuming is there. And I'm looking for a long block. There we go. Oh, for goodness sake. Let's just throw it across the table. So I've got a straight line here in the grain of my faux wood. It's vinyl wrap. I'm not that good or clever. I want a bit of white that I haven't squiggled on. Let's get a new bit. Yeah, it's faux vinyl wrap. I don't work off a wood table. It's my old battered IKEA table. And I'm just going to line up down here. Oh, upside down apparently. So, let me tell you about a little giveaway. Because I've been with you for 10 years and thoroughly enjoying myself for all that time, I thought I'm going to give away 10 things. So I've decided to give away, apparently the project, there it is, 10 packs of this incredible, amazing, beautiful, stunning, like an animal paper. Because that just felt like a nice thing to give away. because I love it. I love using it. Now, how can you enter to get it? Well, the first thing you can do is colour in your bee. The first thing you can do is that you can place an order with me. Link below between now, which is the 29th of March, and the 31st of March. And I will select 10 winners. Well, no, that's one way to enter. Another way is to simply leave a comment here on YouTube or my blog if you're watching it there. I've just coloured in my honeybee and given it a little wink of Stella, glittery wings and body. So yeah, you can enter two ways. You can enter by placing an order before the end of the 31st of March, or you can just leave a comment. Oh, there it is. It's gone. It's here. Or leave a comment on my YouTube or blog, and I will select 10 people, and I will send those 10 people a packet of the paper. However, I can't do that if you are a winner and you live outside of one of our 7 areas, and the 7 areas we are in is there. Bear with me while I double stack. So I've double stacked there on one side because that's going to sit and touch the paper, and then I want a single stack to go on here, and then it's all flush. So yeah, the UK, the Netherlands, Austria, Germany, France, and brand newly Belgium and Ireland. There we go. Right, if I show you that, it's 2 layers deep there and 1 layer deep there, and then it's all on the same level. So if you are outside one of their areas and you've left me a lovely comment, obviously you won't be able to shop with me, but you've left me a lovely comment and I've selected you as a winner, I can't send you any product, unfortunately, because that's against my demonstrator agreement. What I can do is send you something that I have made. And one of those somethings will be this. I'm just getting my third flower. There we go. Oh, I need to put this back on. Or some handmade cards or projects that I have made. I've got a bunch that I'm about to make, or that I have made and I'm about to film. So like I say, if you're outside one of these 7 areas, I won't be able to send you a Stampin' Up product, but I can send you something that I've made, which might be fun. Or not. I don't know. Let's see if I can get this back on. So, celebrating 10 years with a bit of an awesome giveaway. 10 packs of incredible, amazing, stunning paper. Or it could be a handmade treat. You might ask for a handmade treat. You might say, Sam, I don't want to have the paper. I'm in the UK, but I don't want the paper. Can I have? And I'll go, yeah. So there we go. Fun project, celebrating 10 years. What do you think? Aren't they cute? They're lovely. So thank you ever so much for joining me. Don't forget, go and place your orders by the 31st. We'll keep placing your orders after that, but in order to enter the competition, by the 31st. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.